Hey sellers, what KPIs do you monitor to track your performance on Amazon? Well, if you do not have much idea about the KPIs, then let me tell you, KPI means Key Performance Indicator. If I make it simple for you, on Amazon you can use special scores called KPIs to track your progress. But of all the KPIs, there are a few that you should really focus on the most. And that's what I am gonna tell you today. This is Tarjit from Ecomclips. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, the first one of the most important KPIs is conversion rate. It's the percentage of shoppers who visit a product page on Amazon and then actually buy the product. For example, let's say 100 people check out your product page for a toy car. If 10 of those people buy the toy car, your conversion rate is 10%. That means 10% of the visitors decided to make a purchase. So basically the conversion rate shows how good a product page is at turning visitors into customers. It tells how well the page is doing in terms of making sales. If you have a low conversion rate, it means something is stopping customers from buying. It could be a high price, poor product images, missing information, bad reviews, and so on. And a high conversion rate means many people who see your product like it enough to buy it. This is a great thing because you know that your product is popular and customers want it. Alright, let's see how we can find out our conversion rate. In the Seller Central, go to Reports, then Business Report. Here on the left hand side, click on Detail Page Sales and Traffic by Child Items. Look for the column called Unit Session Percentage. Yes, this is your conversion rate. You must be thinking, what is a good conversion rate? Well, let me tell you that a good conversion rate depends on your goals, but there are some standard you can look at. On Amazon, a good average conversion rate is between 10% to 15%. If your products have a conversion rate between 10%, that means there is a room for improvement. If your rate is above 10%, that means your products are doing well. The next important KPI is keyword ranking. Alright, let me show you this. If I search for something, let's search for coffee mugs. Alright, now you can see on the first page, these items are showing. Why does this appear first? Why not something else? That's because this one here is ranked higher on the keyword ranking. So, keyword ranking helps you to stand out from your competitors. This matrix shows how well your products appear when someone searches on Amazon with certain words. If your products rank higher for a keyword, more people will see them, which can mean more sales. You need your product to show up near to the top of the first page when people search for your main keyword. That way, no matter how customers search, they will find your product easily. We will make a detailed video of how you can use keywords to rank higher on the search result. Keep eye on us. Alright, let's move to the next KPI, which is Inventory Performance Index. The Inventory Performance Index is a tool Amazon uses to see how well sellers handle their inventory. It looks at things like how much stock they have, how fast it sells, and how quickly they restock items. Imagine your API score is like a report card from Amazon, where a higher score means you are holding a great job managing inventory. Amazon uses this score to decide how much space you get for storing products and what features you can access. So, how can you check your Inventory Performance Index on Amazon? This is very simple. If I show you, again go to your Seller Central. Here you can see this Inventory Performance Index. Click on the arrow and select the score for the marketplace you want to look at. Here you can see your inventory performance index over the last 7 days and whether it has dropped or increased. Here you can see the top influencing factors. Your API scores are given based on these factors: excess inventory, sell-through rate, in-stock rate, and standard inventory. If any of those factors go above what Amazon prefers, it will be marked as yellow or red. Alright, I think you got the idea. Now let's move to our next KPI, which is ACoS. Total Advertising Cost of Sales, also known as ACoS. ACoS is a measure on Amazon that tells you how much money you spend on advertising for every dollar you make in sales. For example, let's say you spend $10 on ads and you made 100 from your product sales. That means for every $10 you made in sales, you spend $1 on ads. Your ACoS would be 10%. So, what is the good percentage of ACoS? Well, if your percentage is between 5 to 10, then you do not have to worry about it. When your ACoS goes down, it means your ads are working better and making your business more profitable. This also means you are spending less of your sales money on ads. This is good because it means your ads are going more effective or your organic sales are going up. An increase in ACoS shows you're spending more of your sales money on ads. This isn't good because it means your ads are getting less effective. In this situation, sellers should find out why they are spending more on ads. It could be because they need to make their ads better or improve their product listings to sell more. Next KPIs is RoAS. RoAS is the opposite of ACoS. RoAS stands for Return on Advertising Spend. It's a way to see how much money you make from your ads compared to how much you spend on them. For example, if you spend $10 on ads and make $100 in sales from those ads, your RoAS would be 10. This means for every dollar you spend on ads, you make $10 in sales. RoAS shows how effective your advertising is in generating revenue, while ACoS looks at how much you spend on ads compared to the sales they're bringing in. The higher your RoAS, the better your ads are performing. It's important to keep an eye on those metrics because if you are spending money on ads for your products on Amazon, you want to make sure they are bringing in more money than they cost. The next KPI is similar to ACoS. Which one is ACoS, or Advertising Cost of Sale? It is a key metric used to see how profitable your Amazon ads are. You figure it out by diving how much you spend on ads by how much made in sales from those ads. For example, if you spent $100 on ads and made $200 in sales, your ACoS would be 50%. It's better to have a lower ACoS because it means you are spending less money on ads to make the same amount in sales. But what's best for you depends on your product costs, ad goals, and budget. So, what is considered a good ACoS? The average ACoS on Amazon is around 30%. But it can change based on what you are trying to do. Usually, you want your ACoS to be between 15 to 20% to do well. To make the most money, your product's cost should be more than what you are spending on ads. Alright, the seventh of most important KPIs is account health. This is a very important seller metric to keep an eye on because if there anything wrong, your account could be suspended. Account health on Amazon shows how well you are following Amazon rules and keeping your customers happy. It looks at things like your order defect rate, late shipment rate, and policy violations. For example, if you have a lot of late shipment or negative feedback from customers, your account health might be poor. To improve your account health, you should aim to ship order on time, provide good customer service, and follow Amazon guidelines. Keeping a good account health helps you to avoid penalties and keep your selling privileges safe. These 7 performance metrics are the most important, and as a seller, you should take these metrics seriously. By tracking these KPIs, you can understand how each of your products is performing, how your business is doing overall, and the health of your Amazon account. Now, I'm going to talk about something that is not actually a performance metric, but you have to consider it as a KPI. I am talking about Amazon fees. Whether you sell through FBA or FBM, you will pay some fees to Amazon. Every seller pay a referral fee, which doesn't change. But if you use FBA, you will also have FBA fees, which Amazon updates from time to time. As a FBA seller, it's important to keep track of your Amazon fees to make sure you are making a profit on each sale. This also helps you ensure Amazon isn't accidentally overcharging you for fulfillment or storage. Selling on Amazon means dealing with fees, but as long as you understand all the fees you might pay, you can run a profitable Amazon business. Alright, in this video, we overview the most important KPIs. These just are the basics. We will come up with a broad explanation of each KPI, so stay connected with us. Well, that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, subscribe to our channel, cause we have tons of informative videos that can boost your e-commerce journey. Do not forget to like and share. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. See you soon.